Hey guys, today we're going to make an edible basket. I bought this edible grass from the store. It is imported from Germany, so you know it's fancy. This one is strawberry, this one is blueberry, and we have green apple. We're going to weave these into a basket that you can actually eat. I think it's going to turn out so cute, so let's get started. We're going to start with pink, the strawberry. And as you see, it comes in these really long strings, and it's pretty flexible and pretty sturdy. You can bend it and flex it, so it's gonna be perfect for making a basket, and it doesn't break very easily, although it does break. So we're gonna have to be a little careful, but not completely. It's gonna work out. So we're going to separate some strands to start our basket. We're going to start with 8 strands. I'm trying not to break them because I want them to be as long as possible. I'm going to separate them in 2 sets of 4. Okay, I've got a set of 4 here. And I can't let go of this because if I do, it'll turn into a little mess again. So we're gonna try to half these. Right there's about the middle. Oh, one broke. Darn it, I gotta get another one. That's about the middle. So let's, oh no, I broke another one. Darn it. Oh, this is so crazy. Okay, try it again. Just try it again. Okay, so here's another one. I'm just gonna guess that that's the middle. I think the more I play with these, the more it turns into a thing. So we're gonna crisscross these like that. And hopefully nothing breaks while we're doing this. Okay, crisscross. And now we're gonna take another one. We're gonna take another one and weave it around. So over and under. Oh my goodness. These are so breakable that who knows how this is gonna turn out. Come on, buddy. That. And now, like that. Okay. They're getting, no! This is not working how I thought. These are just too breakable. Oh no. Okay. All right, so you can't actually weave with these. As much as I wanted to, they're just too thin and they break apart too easily. Once you start trying to manipulate them and doing things, they just fall apart. Getting them wet makes them disintegrate. So it really is only good to be Easter grass. But I really like the concept because it's edible Easter grass. So it'll be great for your Easter baskets this season. And it tastes good too. You know what it tastes like? This reminds me of the strawberry flavored ice cream cones that they used to make back in the 80s, which they still may make today, but I don't know because I don't actually buy ice cream cones.